करीब 45 सालों के बाद प्लेक्सपो इंडिया वापस अहमदाबाद आ रही है। एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे तमाम प्लास्टिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज़ हैं और कहा जाता है 40% से ज़्यादा अगर प्लास्टिक मैन्युफैक्चर होती है तो कहीं न कहीं सीधे तौर पे अहमदाबाद जुड़ा हुआ है। हालाँकि हमने देखा है इस तरह के एग्ज़िबिशन ज़्यादातर दिल्ली, मुंबई बड़े शहरों में होते हैं, लेकिन अहमदाबाद में बार-बार प्लेक्सपो इंडिया ऐसे करके ये साबित कर रही है कि ये वो जगह है जहाँ से बिज़नेस के और भी आयाम बन सकते हैं। इस पे बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ वजू भाई वगासिया जी जुड़े हुए हैं जो चेयरमैन है प्लेक्सपो इंडिया के। वजू भाई बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया आपसे बातचीत
थैंक यू
करके
सर,
मिल के।
थैंक यू।
ये बताइए इतने लंबे कार्यकाल में आपने काफ़ी कुछ किया है लेकिन इस क्षेत्र को लेकर क्या संभावनाएँ दिख रही हैं आपको?
देखो सर, दिस इज ए प्लेक्सपो इंडिया 24। दिस इज ए 9th edition. In all India, exhibition of plastic was started by our association GSPMA. It was in 1979. Just opposite to this, there is a Sanskar Kendra Paladi. It was the first exhibition. There was no Plastic India, no Plastic Vision, no Kolkata exhibition, nowhere any big exhibition of plastic in India. That is the only Plexpo who has started this event. So now this is the 9th event. Not only that, during the Corona, I tell you Corona, all the exhibitions were closed, were stopped. We did it on virtual, and we successfully. It was a virtual exhibition during the Corona. Now for 9th, this 9th exhibition is out of all the exhibitions, past exhibitions, average area, this is more than double area. Average area of past, this year, it is a average double area, 25,000 square meter, And this is the exhibition where main plastic machinery manufacturers, main raw material manufacturers, Technical Manpower Development Institute, they are participating in this exhibition. Not only that, this exhibition specially focusing on how to become helpful to our exhibitors, how to become very, very useful to our exhibitors. Why? Our clients are exhibitors, and if our clients will develop, the plastic industry will develop, and India will develop. This is the backbone of the economy. It is one of the MSMEs unit. That is most of the plastic industry. 95% plastic industry are coming under MSME, micro, small and medium enterprise. राइट और मैं कहूँगा कि ये एग्जीबिशन में हमने एग्जीबिशन में क्या खासियत क्या क्या मेन थिंग है तो हमारे पेविलियंस है एग्रीकल्चर पेविलियंस है मेडिकल पेविलियंस है कंसल्टेंसी माने कोई मशीनरी का प्रॉब्लम हो तो वी आर गिविंग फ्री कंसल्टेंसी वी आर पुटिंग देयर सम एक्सपर्ट over there and the expert will advise to our participant or our visitors how to solve the problems regarding the plastic machinery. This is the main thing. Number one, startup. Anything new is made for plastic, anything made for human being is also displayed over here. And it will be very useful for a new entrepreneur. We are allowing the students, particularly last year students who are seeking some business or some employment, we have given free entry to our students. Why? They are going to become an entrepreneur or they are going to go in a very good employment company, right? This is the speciality of this our exhibition. We are expecting more than 50,000 visitors from all over India and from the world. We have got 15 to 20 stalls from outside the India, maybe from America, UK, Europe, and some Korea, Taiwan, China. Yeah. Okay, you ask me anything else, I can reply.
Yeah, so I see Plexpo India has got many firsts to its credit. Just taking it a step ahead, this time we just had a word with another official, and he said that we're expecting visitors to come from across the world because it's not just Indian exhibitors. We see this happening very less when we talk about small cities, but I think Ahmedabad has set a precedence in that. The kind of audience, if you could talk about.
Why we are focusing this plastic exhibition more and more and more? Gujarat is a hub of plastic raw materials due to Reliance. Now there are many companies doing production in Gujarat. Number two, plastic machinery manufacturers are maximum more than 70% in Gujarat. These machinery manufacturers are exporting lot machineries to the world's many countries. Number three, technical manpower. We have technical training institute like CPET, maybe LD College, maybe Morbi College. All these colleges are providing manpower to this industry. Dusra, Gujarat means व्यापार, गुजरात मीन्स इंडस्ट्री, गुजरात मीन्स उद्योग. ये आप जानते, पूरा वर्ल्ड जानता है. गुजराती जितने लोग वर्ल्ड में गए हैं वो बिजनेस करते हैं, वो ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट करते हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज चलाते हैं, और they are doing social work in a very big way also. As for example, I am also running one cancer institute, which is helpful to particularly in ladies, there is a maximum cancer. We are providing them help. How we are providing help? The 3,000 rupees cost of one test for cancer, we are doing it 300 rupees only in my trust. We have a 2,000 students, poor students, who cannot pay fees. We are giving their fees and we are running that school in our Gujarat, in our Ahmedabad. This is the humanity of the Gujarat. And that's why this is a hub of the plastic. This is a main area of the plastic. Anybody wants to invest in plastic, they should come in Gujarat. And they should visit this exhibition, they should participate this exhibition, and they should be having a very useful for propagation of this exhibition.
And we've seen, sir, in Plexpo India, we have got every time you talk about future of plastic industry, with so many years behind you. From your end, where do you see the future of plastic lies in India?
So when we are talking about the future of plastic industry, you may be knowing that environment and plastic is a very big subject. We are facing this problem. People thinks that plastic is not good for our health, not good for our edible things. Okay, it is not like that. But we have some lacking of knowledge also. Worldwide, if you will see, in America, UK and Europe, per capita consumption of plastic raw material is more than 100 kilo. In India, it is only 14, 15 kilo. So we are very behind of the developed countries. So we have to go up to there, but we have to find out the solution of the environment also. We have to go for a degradable polymers. We have to go for a compostable polymers. We have to go be such a polymer which can be after some time it becomes a mud, मिट्टी बन जाता है. ऐसा प्लास्टिक हमें यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, तभी ये सस्टेनेबल होगा. इसलिए हम इसकी चैलेंजिंग फाइट करते हैं. उसके लिए हमने सेमिनार रखा है, रिसाइकलिंग सेमिनार रखा है, और हमने कई चीज़ों का ऐसा सेमिनार रखा है. पर्टिकुलरली सॉफ्टवेयर, प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री का मैनेजमेंट के लिए स्पेशल जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो है टेक क्लाउड. अमेरिकन कंपनी है. टेक क्लाउड अमेरिकन कंपनी इज वेरी बिग इश्यू इज कमिंग इन few months. That company has participated in our exhibition and they are going to give full information how this software is useful to the visitors.
There you have Mr. Vajubhai talking about future of plastic industry in India. We wish you all the luck, sir, from Modern Plastics TV. Thank you, sir. Thank you.